hello, sir, there is a problem, can you please come? Hello, I realize अब उन्हें सुना नहीं देगा. So guys, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. Motor tanker Amy, in which there was a tank cleaning operation done very frequently. So like one voyage we are carrying naphtha, and the other voyage they are telling us, okay, you will be carrying in this tank say kerosene. So what we have to do is we have to clean that tank, remove all the naphtha contents inside, and then add kerosene so that the content mixing does not happen and the cargo does not get damaged, right? So tank cleaning operation was on. Chief officer was there taking care of the tank cleaning. The third officer, second officer were doing 6 on 6 off on the bridge. Chief here told me fourth year, second year and third year will be doing 6 on 6 on down below. You take care of tank cleaning operations. I knew the reason why he wanted me to be there, because I knew उन्हें नहीं पता क्या करना है. See, this is the kind of confidence that I had, that my chief here did not know his job. And why I had that confidence? Because I had heard a lot of stories about him कि उन्हें कुछ नहीं आता. Long, because I was sitting in a small company called Searland, and he was famous for not knowing his work. He was very, very famous for not knowing his work. So I realized that the responsibility lies on me to ensure that the tank cleaning operation is working very fine and no problem is there. Now tank cleaning operation is a different operation. I can't get into details, नहीं तो normal लोग नहीं समझेंगे. But simple यही है कि when you are cleaning a tank, you are spraying hot water inside the tank on the walls so that all the contents of oil, naphtha side, they come down and then they are taken to the slop tanks. दूसरे टैंक में ले जाता है. Say you have put oil on your hair and you want to wash it without using what I would say is soap. So what you do is you put warm water, because with warm water the solubility increases and all the oil will come down, not with cold water. So this was spraying hot water inside the tanks. So it was my responsibility to ensure that the tank heater is working fine, the temperatures are being maintained, no problem with the steam hammering or something like that, steam heating is working fine. So all these things was my responsibility. And I was up for it because I was learning something new. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, मैं कुछ नया सीखूंगा. But as a junior, as a fourth year, you expect कि चलो कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, right? And you also expect कि चलो अगर आता नहीं होगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी, तो my chief here is there to help me out. So suddenly chief officer calls me, अरे चार साहब कहाँ हो? There is a problem, please come here. The tank heater is not maintaining its temperature. मैं जाके गया वहाँ पर. I went to the tank heater room and saw that the heater is full, the water level is not coming down, XYZ चीज़ें. I saw the problem and I took my walkie-talkie. बड़ा साहब come in. Hello, हाँ प्रणीत. And he used to call me Prani there. हाँ प्राणी बोल. मतलब sir, there is a problem, can you please come? Hello, sir, there is a problem, can you please come? Hello. I realize अब उन्हें सुना नहीं देगा. And I realize कि मुझे सुनाना भी नहीं है, मैं अपने दम पे करूँगा. And then luckily 10 minutes मुझे लगे identify करने में that there was a valve which was automatic valve which was getting stuck, and I just tapped it and it opened. मतलब it started working fine. A small WD-40 and everything was fine. And then I said on chief officer, okay sir, the problem is solved, you can see right now. Then he says, हाँ everything is fine. And then within 2 minutes I see chief engineer coming in. अरे प्राणी क्या हो गया था? Everything fine. So you might find such kind of people on board ship. Have faith in yourself, have confidence, keep learning, keep reading manuals. When you go on ship and you do not find a leader with you, don't complain, become a leader yourself. And that is what I learned there, कि भैया सब चीज़ें ज़िंदगी में आपके पीछे कोई नहीं खड़ा होगा, खुद भी करना पड़ सकता है. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.